Good morning, class 8. Parallelogram. In the previous grade, I have explained quadrilateral. All are quadrilateral because all these figures have four sides and this figure is enclosed by them. Therefore, all are quadrilateral. And there are different kinds of quadrilateral. Once I have explained parallelogram. So, now you see one by one rectangle, square, rhombus, trapezium, coin, arrowhead. This may be a new term, arrowhead. So I explain all this. You see the rectangle. A rectangle is also quadrilateral, or you can say it is also a parallelogram because opposite sides are equal. So this is a parallelogram, but a parallelogram in which all the angles are 90 degrees. The opposite side will be equal already if you say parallelogram. Or if you define like this, a quadrilateral which is enclosed by four sides, or quadrilateral in which opposite sides are equal and each angle 90 degrees, that is a rectangle. So rectangle is also a parallelogram. So that parallelogram in which one angle, if you say one angle, so all angle will be 90 degrees. Because suppose angle A is 90 degrees, the opposite angles of parallelogram equal, so A is equal to C. And suppose these two, this is 90, so sum of these two interior angles of a parallelogram, 180, so 90, this will be 90, opposite angle, this will be 90. So if you say one angle, or if you say all the angles, not the same here. So quadrilateral in which opposite side equal, each angle 90 degrees, that is a rectangle. A square is also parallelogram because this quadrilateral has opposite side equal, and the difference is if you say a parallelogram in which each angle 90 degrees and all the sides are equal. In parallelogram, only opposite pair of sides are equal. In a square, so that parallelogram in which all the sides are equal and each angle 90 degrees. And if you say one angle, so it is automatically other angle will be 90 degrees. So you should understand. So this is a square. And if you define a square is a quadrilateral, special kind of quadrilateral in which all sides are equal and each angle 90 degrees. Rhombus. This is also parallelogram because opposite sides are equal. Rhombus means all the sides are equal. A parallelogram in which all the sides are equal and angles are not 90 degrees. Because if angle is 90, so that will be a square. This is the difference between a square and rhombus. In a rhombus and a square, all the sides are equal, but in a square, each angle 90 degrees, but angles are not 90 degrees in the rhombus. And now you see trapezium, a quadrilateral in which any one opposite pair is parallel and other pair is not parallel. So suppose this is a quadrilateral, so AB and CD, suppose they are parallel and these are non-parallel. Therefore, this will be called trapezium. Kite. Kite देखते हैं, this is the shape of kite. You might have used in your childhood. Still you may be using. In kite is that quadrilateral, this may both adjacent sides are equal. This is equal to this. Suppose this P, Q are S. So PQ is equal to PS adjacent side and other adjacent side these two. So if both pair of adjacent sides equal in a quadrilateral, so that will be called kite. And this is a arrowhead. Arrowhead is it looks just like a triangle, but this is not triangle because this is figure surrounded by four sides, EF, FG, GH, EG. And this angle, this angle is reflex angle. So how will you define arrowhead? Arrowhead is that collateral in which one angle is reflex angle and this angle reflex angle. So this is the definition of this special kind of collateral. So I would like to remind once again, in collateral I have already explained the figure which is enclosed by four sides, enclosed, khira hona chahiye. And there are different types of collateral: parallelogram, rectangle, square, rhombus, trapezium, coil. और trapezium एक चीज और बता देते हैं कि if the trapezium in which one opposite pair is parallel and non-parallel sides are equal. Suppose in trapezium one opposite pair will be parallel according to the definition and non-parallel sides are equal. If yadi ho, so that will be called isosceles trapezium. So these are some special kinds of collateral. You should try to understand and you will remember some important points. And if you remember and if you understand all the definitions, so now you will move towards the exercise. So my dear student, I have explained all the definitions of whatever you have in this chapter parallelogram. Or so before closing, I would like to remind once again definition and explanation. Parallelogram, a quadrilateral in which both opposite sides are equal. And if both opposite sides are equal, so they will be parallel. And if they are parallel, automatically they will be equal. So if you define a quadrilateral in which both opposite, two pair of opposite sides, with both opposite sides are equal and parallel, you can say that will be parallelogram. And properties I have explained in parallelogram: opposite sides are equal, opposite sides are parallel, opposite angles are equal, the diagonals bisect each other, and the sum of two interior angles are 180 degree. रेक्टेंगल में जो प्रॉपर्टी पैरेललोग्राम का है इसमें भी होगा, opposite sides are equal and parallel, opposite angles are equal, each angle 90 degree, and the diagonal also bisect each other. So these are also properties of rectangle. In a square, all the sides are equal, all angles are 90 degree, right angle, and the diagonals are equal. Diagonals are equal here. In a square, diagonals are equal. And diagonal also bisect because this is parallelogram. So whatever the properties in parallelogram, that will be followed in rectangle and the square and rhombus. In rhombus, all the sides are equal. The diagonals also bisect. But here, important point is, diagonals are not equal. Diagonals are not equal, and in a square, diagonals are equal. In rhombus, diagonal bisect, but bisect at right angle. Right angle में bisect करता है. This will be right angle triangle. So these are the properties. Trapezium. ट्रेपेजियम में अब देखिए कि वन अपोजिट पेयर ऑफ पैरेलल कोलेटरल का जो प्रॉपर्टीज है इसमें भी होगा. इसमें नो प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ डायगोनल की कोई रिलेशन इसमें नहीं है. एंड कॉइट आई हैव ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन. इन कॉइट इज दैट कोलेटरल इन विच बोथ एडजेसेंट साइड्स आर इक्वल. सो दिस टू आर इक्वल, दिस टू आर इक्वल, एंड देयरफॉर दिस इज द कॉइट. एंड arrowhead collateral, that means in which one angle is reflex. This angle is reflex angle. Reflex angle HGF or FGH. And this angle, you can measure, but this will be reflex. It looks just like a triangle, but this is not triangle. This is quadrilateral. So these are the some definitions of this chapter parallelogram. And next time when we will meet you, I will explain some question. So you should remember, you should learn the definitions, you should also learn the properties of all kinds of quadrilateral, rectangle, square, rhombus, trapezium, coin, arrowhead. So I have explained here today, I have explained the definition, I have explained the properties, but important point you will note down and you will remember. And if you remember, certainly you can solve, you will be in the position to solve the question. So that's all for today. And I hope you will try to solve, and if you have any doubt, so you will contact me, I will try to solve. So this is geometry, very important. So you should remember, you should understand difference between parallelogram and rectangle. What is the difference in parallelogram and a rectangle? The opposites are equal. Similarities. Difference in parallelogram, angle is not 90 degree, but in a rectangle, angles are 90 degree. So these are the some differences. You should differentiate between parallelogram and rectangle, square and rhombus, trapezium, coin, arrowhead. That's all for today. And you will try to solve, and I will explain it. Thank you.